Sponsored by Catchpoint, the leader in digital experience management. Hi folks, Joe McCarthy here at Catchpoint. And in this video, we'll be looking at validating the performance of your CDN cache versus CDN origin content and making sure your SLAs are covered. Having this information available is critical for any company relying on CDN services so you can answer confidently, is your CDN service actually improving overall performance? And are they adhering to the SLAs you have in place with them? And if not, do you have the data to back it up? Starting at the top left, these four widgets provide a quick view on how the CDN cache versus CDN origin are performing with regards to percent availability and average response times. You can see that the CDN cache is showing better response times, which is what you want. Remember, if a browser requests a piece of content and the CDN has it cached, then it will deliver that content. This is referred to as a cache hit. However, if the content is not available on the cache server or servers, then the CDN makes a request back to the origin server. This is classified as a cache miss. You obviously want cache hits, not misses. Moving on to the two GeoHeat Maps, these provide a visual of problem areas for both origin and cache servers. You can place your cursor over any of the colored dots for more information. So for example, in the origin graph, I can put my cursor over Boston, and you can see that for the origin servers, the average response is just over 502 milliseconds. If I do the same for the CDN cache servers in Boston, we can see the average response time is around 202. So again, hopefully your cache servers are working better than the origin servers. And this next view provides the average response for specifically the CDN Cache Performance. Here we're viewing by city, but you can also group by country and continent if you're a global entity, and also ISP. So if I click on ISP, it converts all the boxes to the ISPs around the United States. And here we can see AT&T has a couple of red boxes. If I just put my cursor over them, you see Boston's having an issue and Los Angeles. So quickly identify where the hotspots are. If I go back to city, again, you can see which cities are doing well. Again, going back to LA, if I put my cursor over that red box, that's that AT&T box you saw earlier showing 592. All the other places in LA, they're all looking good. So that's how you can quickly get to the hotspots that are having problems. Okay, scrolling down to the next view, remember the differences between cache hit or cache miss, where you want cache hits to be faster than the misses. Well, this view provides that level of detail. If I turn on the legend, we can see in blue are the cache hits, and in green are the cache misses. Cache misses are showing higher response times, which is what you're expecting. So just a quick visual to make sure misses are taking longer than your hits. This next view down allows you to compare the origin versus cache KPIs per city. You can see how the different metrics like response time, DNS, connect, right on down the line, how are they performing? And in this last view, it allows you to see exactly what CDN Edge servers each of the cities are using and their KPIs. You'll notice that some cities have multiple edge servers that they're mapped to. So for example, looking at Philadelphia, it has 3. 2 are in New Jersey and 1 is in Philadelphia. And then you can compare the metrics based on those different locations. So remember, with over 820 synthetic locations strategically placed around the globe, and that number is always growing, Catchpoint can provide you with a level of coverage that no one else can even come close to. The term best of breed comes to mind. As always, thanks for watching, and for more information on all Catchpoint solutions, please visit the link provided. Sponsored by Catchpoint, the leader in digital experience management.